Hey, what's up, everybody? Back with another video here. This one's going to be a little different. Thought I'd change things up and got back from vacation a week or two ago and just realized I had a lot of footage that I've never downloaded and put into a long format video on YouTube. I put a bunch of shorts out there. Shorts, of course, super easy. It's just to do on the phone or whatever and throw up, but haven't posted like a full video, so this one is older, but still some pretty cool footage of the construction work on the Cherry Grove Pier in South Carolina. So wanted to just post this up as this is from May, even though this is now a couple months after that. This was the progress that was being worked on May, early Saturday, first weekend I think of May. And as you can tell here, it was a pretty awesome day. Just getting a little shot here of the plane flying by. But the pier is completed now. From my understanding, I have not been down this summer. Actually went to Panama City Beach in Florida instead of Cherry Grove, North Myrtle for summer. So you can check out a PCB video coming. Gonna put all my footage together for that and hopefully get some of these videos posted finally. So just this is a short one here, hopefully just going to fly out and just give a view of the work that was being done this day. You can see on here a lot of the flooring's been replaced already. They had a lot of the handrails and the decking still to do. A couple sections there were still gapped and missing. You can see some of the flooring there had to be still replaced, and it looks like just flying out here you can see they've taken out even just some other boards along the way. So I'll be curious to see if it was just certain pieces that they replaced or if they ended up doing the whole thing. I'm not sure exactly on that. I haven't heard. So if anybody's been and you know how it looks, yeah, comment, and hopefully I can get back down there before the end of summer, at least by the end of September maybe, and get a updated video of the actual total reopen status and how everything looks and check it out. So just going to spin around here, come back and do a final flyover. And here's we're flying back to the front. You can see the Prince Resort in the back there, Tower 1 on the left, Tower 2 on the right above the parking deck. This gives you a good idea of how long the pier really is too. And again, you can see here where all these replacement boards are pulled up and going to be fixed. Like this section coming up here where the railing, I guess that it's all going to be new. All that's torn down. You can see where the missing section still is, where the gap is, where that'll be replaced. The new section there looks great. Looks really nice. So definitely look forward to seeing the reopen and the completed pier. If anybody has, let me know. Just comments and see what you think. See if you've been on it. You've been fishing. You caught anything. Just kind of coming back across from the side here, give it a good angle to show the work's being done. Again, as of May 2023. And that's pretty much it. While we were there, did see that up near the Tillman Resort, they were working on a project to run some drain from across the street where I guess a lot of the ditch floods from heavy rain. So when we get up here, you can see where they were installing kind of like a drain to get some of that standing water out, and I guess they run it really far out into the ocean. Haven't heard. I'm guessing that's completed by now too, but going to fly up here. Of course, the Tillman is right near the blockade runner section. You can kind of see the cranes from afar here. So just going to let the drone take off from here, get some footage of that, and check back in shortly. just gonna close out the video here. I did send the drone up on the way out behind the Prince Resort, just across the street from Cherry Grove Pier on the backside. So wanted to get some aerial shots and footage of the inlet side, where all the homes are and where all the various waterways are from Hogs Inlet, and tide was in, so the water was definitely up. You can see it was really pretty cloudy, little dark clouds there, so it was very windy, and I think that was the thing that was kind of killing my battery as well, because I got warnings on both the battery and my space was filling up. So about as soon as I make a turn here, start heading totally north, you can see we're facing the north end of Cherry Grove. About this point it started shutting off on me, so yeah, just gonna close out the video here. Just say thanks for watching. You can like, subscribe, all that stuff, and look to have a couple more videos, regular form videos, posted soon from the Panama City and a couple other places. So thanks for watching, and catch you next time.